In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional looking email signature inside of Canva for free. This will be a step-by-step guide, so let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is go to canva.com and create a free account. Once you've done that, and that will take around 30 seconds, you'll be inside of the Canva dashboard. From here, you can go ahead and click on templates on the left, and then you can search for an email signature template. So just search here for email signature. Once you've done that and you've clicked enter, you will see there are now 2,073 templates we can choose from. Now, some of these are going to be for the pro plan. If you want to filter just for the free ones, click on all filters, then scroll down all the way to the bottom. Then you'll see here price. You can go ahead and click on the free ones, click apply, and now you will have significantly less templates available, but all of these are going to be free. Now you can edit and use any of these. So I'm going to use this one here that I used in the intro, and we'll edit it together. So if you click on it, it's going to also show you more like that style. But if you want this one, click customize this template, and it will take you inside of the Canva editor. Now, if it's your first time using Canva, it is a very simple drag and drop editor. You can edit anything on this screen. So here you've got different text boxes, you've got a shape here which happens to be a line, you've got then icons with a number, you've got a email address, you've got a website, and you've got a location. Now let's say, for example, like me, I don't have a physical location, I don't want to show my location in my signature. So what I can do is I can click on this text, I can then click delete on the keyboard, or this delete button here. Same again for the icon, we can click it and then click delete on the keyboard. So now we've got rid of that. I'm also going to go ahead and get rid of this shape and these icons and text here. I can highlight everything and that will select it all. You can see it's actually grouped. We can then click delete and we'll delete that. Okay, so now let's change the text. If you double click on any text box, you can change it. I'm going to change this to Bradley Harrison, which is going to be my name. And then here I'll put, for the secondary text, search-based YouTube channels, which is what I do. Now notice how the text box comes down to 2 lines. We just can extend it here, and there you go. We've now extended that text. Now let's say, for example, you didn't want this font. If you double click on the text box and highlight everything, you've got all of your text editing tools up here. So let's change the font and we'll change it to a more bold font. Maybe this one is good. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, and we can highlight this and we can also change the text color, increase the font size, and so on. If you go to effects, you've got more effects like a shadow, you've got outline, and you've got curved text, things like that. So you can go ahead and play around with that. Here on the left, you're probably going to want a picture of yourself. So we're going to click on this guy. We're going to click on delete on the keyboard or the trash can icon. And we're just going to delete the image because there's already a circle frame here, which we can just snap our photo into. Now, if you wanted to upload your own photo, you go to uploads. And then from here, you can go ahead and click upload files and you can find a photo of yourself. Now, if I go to images, I already have a photo of myself somewhere. So I'll just upload one of myself. So I'll just use this one and we can just snap it on. And if you upload a file, it will save it on Canva and you can use it on all of your projects. So here is the photo. Now, if you wanted a different shaped frame, you could go to elements, and in elements, you'll find different shapes, graphics, and so on. You can then search for frame, and here you can see all of these different frames that you could use, and basically an image will snap to each of these frames. So you can have an image in a curved square, a star, or so on. But I'm happy with this for now. I'm also happy with the background color. We could change that by clicking on the background, and then here's your background color. Let's make sure this whole text area is centered. So I'm going to highlight all of it, and then we can bring it down, and you can see these guidelines will just center it. Because we had some more text before, so it would have been centered before, but after we deleted it, it didn't center again. So we've just centered it now manually. Now let's go to share in the top right. We can now download this as a PNG. Now with the free version, there's only a specific quality you can export at, but because this will be really small anyway, it's not too relevant. But if you want to upgrade the quality, you are going to have to upgrade to Canva Pro, but that's how you can get it done. I hope that quick video helps you out.